Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a kind man named Paul. He had a best friend, Tom, who betrayed him one day. Paul felt deeply hurt and distanced himself from Tom. The village people noticed the change and felt sad for Paul. One day, Tom realized his mistake and felt sorry. He decided to apologize and baked Paul's favorite cake. Nervous yet determined, Tom knocked on Paul's door. Paul hesitated but invited Tom inside to talk. Tom tearfully apologized, explaining his foolish decisions. Paul listened quietly, his heart torn between hurt and hope. He remembered their joyful days and started softening. "Let's forgive each other and move forward," Paul proposed. Tom's face lit up with relief and gratitude. The two embraced, and tears of forgiveness flowed. The village rejoiced as happiness returned between the friends. This story reminds us that forgiveness mends hearts and nurtures love.